Imagine taking this small plane, 15-seater, very cramped up, only 15 kgs luggage allowed, and an airport where, oh, actually, there is no airport because we are landing in the jungle. It is just a small airstrip, and about 60 flights take off every day. Here, there is no boarding pass, and no boarding gates, and no airport staff. Wilson, we are at the airport, but what is our gate?
You guys unfortunately did not get one. I'm kidding.
There is no gate, right?
No get here. Yeah, there's no get here. Just
This is our gate. Oh, we marked our gate. We marked our gate.
yeah, you got that gate.
Well, fasten your seatbelts because this one could get very, very turbulent. But it's one of the most unique airports that I have seen, and it is the Olkiombo airstrip. So, ऐसे कुछ 10-12 airstrips हैं मसाई मारा के जंगल में, where the planes take off and land, and on a daily basis around 50 to 60 flights to and fro from Nairobi to Masai Mara hoti hain during peak season. So why I'm telling you this is because if you don't want to come via road, तो अगर आप रोड से आते हैं फ्रॉम नायरोबी टू मसाई मारा, तो आपको जो व्हीकल पिकअप करने आता है, जनरली दे चार्ज यू $200 टू कम एंड पिक यू अप, एंड एट द सेम टाइम इफ़ यू वांट टू सेव टाइम, और क्योंकि 7 से 8 घंटे लगते हैं अगर आप बाई रोड आ रहे हो फ्रॉम नायरोबी टू मसाई मारा. अदरवाइज द अदर ऑप्शन इज़ वेर यू रीच जस्ट इन 45 minutes. You take one of these small planes. What you have to keep in mind is सिर्फ 15 kg अलाउड आपको होता है टोटल लगेज, सो उससे ज़्यादा आप नहीं लेके आ सकते हो. एंड इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट फ्लाइट, बहुत छोटी फ्लाइट होती है, सिर्फ 12 से 13 लोग अंदर इसमें बैठते हैं. बट in 45 minutes you are in Masai Mara and back again from Masai Mara to Nairobi in 45 minutes. This if you want to take, so to and fro आपको कुछ Indian rupees 25,000 upwards में ये to and fro flight पड़ जाती है. Whereas if you take the road and if you come one of these vehicles by road, you take 7 to 8 hours and you're going to shell out about $400. That is $200 one way pickup and drop. So keep all that in mind when you're planning your trip to Masai Mara. तो बिना किसी टर्बुलेंस के हम पहुंच गए हैं मसाई मारा इन जस्ट 45 minutes.
Welcome to Masai Mara.
Thank you, Harrison.
Welcome. Very good.
To meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for coming to get us.
Yeah, sure.
Lovely to be here.
Lovely to be here.
The winter. The Kenyan winter. It's not like the other winter.
अब हम तो पहुंच गए हैं मसाई मारा एंड ऑफ कोर्स द सफारी एडवेंचर बिगिंस. बट उससे पहले आप मुझे बताइए दैट वुड यू बी ब्रेव इनफ टू टेक दिस फ्लाइट.